Goes to Lutz. And a kill by Stanley. Beautiful dig. Brought it right to Skinner. Skinner gives it to Stanley, and Stanley puts it away. 2 serves in a row. Too long. 25-24. Jonna Shimko to serve. And a great play by Sarah Skinner. Bulldogs need a serve in. 25-25. We're playing overtime. It's gonna come down, goes to Brickles. They go over to Hickson. And she gets a big kill. Hannah Hickson. Carrie Nostrand into the lineup. Olivia Hoon, 26-25. It'll go to Hoon. Pretty nice chance right there by Emma Stanley. Harris off the block. It's going to be right at the no! Point for Athens. Stanley with the kill. 26-26. This is a game. Elise Lutz serves it across. Goes to Brickles at the net. And nobody plays it. Lutz to serve. 27-26. Timeout, Alexander. We'll be right back. Elise Lutz to serve. Game point. 27-26 Athens. Puts it across. Back corner goes to Brickles. And they back set to Hickson. It looked like it might be out, but we played it. Baker takes it right over the top. They're going to set up Arnold. And it's a block. And it's a point for Athens. Athens wins game 3, 28-26. With the Bulldogs up 2-1. They will start game 4 with Christina DeGraw serving. Brickles, Shimko, Hickson. Kill. Shimko to serve. One 0 Alexander. Shimko goes to Lutz. Hickson, and it doesn't get over the net. Athens will tie it at 1. Bryn Cooley to serve. Cooley throws over a knuckleball. Hickson mishits into the net. Bulldogs take a 2-1 lead. Dives one. Back set. And Stanley didn't hit much of it, but it's going to count as a point. 3-1. Cooley to serve. It'll go to Nostrand. And Athens will keep it alive as Stanley puts it across. They will go to Nostrand, and it's in. Nice kill. Backside. 3-2 Athens. Nostrand will serve. Baker in for Athens. Tigner for the kill. Tigner will serve. Lauren Tigner. She goes to Arnold. Back set to Hickson. Hickson takes it into the middle. And nice block there by Hickson. She will serve with Athens up 4-3. Hannah Hickson. She hits a high one over. Lutz is there. Baker takes it across. They will set up Arnold at the net, and it's going to be right on the line. Nice set, nice kill. Hickson to serve. 4-all, game 4. Bulldogs up 2-1. Well, that one was, it worked out for the Bulldogs. Christina DeGraw comes in with the Bulldogs up 5-4. Elise Lutz goes to Brickles. They will back set to Arnold, and it's out. (6-4) Athens. It's going to be out. Went for the line, didn't quite get it. Hannah Thomas to serve. Whoa, there's an ace. Her second ace of the night. She's got 5 service points. She's been pretty effective. Goes to Baker. Harris. Arnold off the block. Lutz is there. Harris. Nice dig by Thomas. Arnold. Athens is there again. Harris into the net. 7-6. Alexander. They will set up Arnold off the net, off the block. Great job by Baker. Hoon takes it across. Arnold to Harris. Back to Harris. Tries to put it down. Shimko was there. Arnold again. And Athens. Oh, off the light fixture. Arnold again tries to drop it in. Athens is there. Arnold. Harris. Long point. Off the block again. Hoon. They'll go to Arnold again. Off the block. This time it falls. 8-6 Alexander. Goes to Baker. Nice play by Athens to keep that one alive. Back set. Athens there with a block again. Nostrand takes it across. It goes to Baker. Over to Harris. Milam. Baker. Athens there for the kill. That was Sarah Skinner putting that one over, that over ball down. The Bulldogs down by 1, 8-7. Skinner will serve. And gets an ace. 8-all. Goes to Nostrand. They'll back set Arnold. It's blocked. Milam up into the play it, and it goes Arnold. And this one will go across. Hoon lays it across. Arnold couldn't quite get to that one, and ball hit the ceiling and came down at a funny angle. Number 3, Sydney Arnold to serve. up 9-8. She'll drop it across. Cooley. Cooley again. Nostrand, that's going to be right at the net. Nostrand with the overball. 10-8, Sydney Arnold to serve again. Alexander up by 2. Cooley. Harris. Goes to Nostrand. And a point. Nostrand put that one so close to the line, they had to play it. 11-8 Alexander, timeout Athens. Sydney Arnold getting ready to serve. Up by 3. Just kicks it across to Cooley. DeGraw went for the kill, and that's going to be long. And Athens pulls back within 11-9.
Let's go!
Lauren Tigner in. Olivia Harris to serve. Just out. 12-9. Macy Brickles to serve for Alexander. Bulldogs up 2-1. Alexander leading this one. Off the block. Nostrand. Goes to Skinner. Harris. Hickson takes it across. Goes to Lutz. Back set. Cooley. And it went outside the antenna. 13-9. Brickles serving again. Up by 4. Drops one off the top of the net. For an ace. 14-9. Drop another one in there low, and this time the ball gets back over the net, and Athens gets the point. 14-10. Christina DeGraw with the serve. Into the net. Shimko. Jonna Shimko with a 5-point lead. Off the block, Alexander will play it. Nostrand blocked by Stanley. Bulldogs pull within 4, 15-11. Bryn Cooley to serve. Goes right to the net, and the Bulldogs will get the point. Nice serve by Cooley. 15-12. Bulldogs trying to pull themselves back into it. And they will set up Hickson in a block. Going to be right at the net. Tigner. A little bit outside the line. 16-12. Caitlin Baker back in. And Carrie Nostrand to serve. 16-12. And a kill by Emma Stanley. (16-13). Lauren Tigner to serve. Goes to Arnold. Back set to Hickson. Wow, what a kill that was. Hannah Hickson with the hammer. Hickson to serve, up 17-13. Harris takes it across. Hickson plays it. They go to Arnold. Arnold with the kill. Alexander with all the momentum. Timeout Athens. Hannah Hickson getting ready to serve with a 5-point lead. 18-13, game 4. Lutz puts it off the top of the net. Arnold off the block. Stanley puts it down. 18-14. Lutz to serve. And the Bulldogs will take that point, and down to the scorer's table the ball goes. 18-15. They will back set Arnold. And we will front set McGraw. And it falls. Little miscommunication there. The Bulldogs pull within 2, 18-16. Timeout, Alexander. Elise Lutz to serve, down 18-16 after the timeout by Alexander. Goes to Thomas. It'll go over to Arnold. This one has to go across to Baker, or miss hits it, it goes out of bounds. 19-16. Hannah Thomas, been one of their top servers. Hoon, this one has to go across, and Lutz does it. Arnold, boom, she put that one down. 20-16. Goes to Harris, a block. This can go over, and it does. Arnold, boom. She's starting to feel it. 21-16. Thomas with the serve. Ace. Bren Cooley in for Athens. 22-16. Bulldogs brought it back to within 2. And an ace. Her 4th ace of the night, to go along with 8 service points. Brickles, and it'll go to Arnold. And a nice job by Tigner to keep that one alive. They go to Nostrand. And a point by Skinner. 23-17, Skinner to serve. She has 3 aces on the night. And the point goes to Alexander, and they're at game point here in game number 4. Arnold to serve. And it'll go out, and Alexander wins game number 4, 25-17. Right now, Steve Chicky will explain what's going on. They will look at the coin. They will call the flip. And they'll see who gets first serve. Well, he dropped the coin. You're on TV, got to catch the coin. Looks like Athens will serve first, and they will stay with these parts of the court, and we'll be right back. We're at game 5. Both crowds are getting into it. I thought Athens won the toss and would take the serve, but Macy Brickles will be serving for Alexander. Goes to Cooley, and they start it right off with a kill by Emma Stanley. This game is to 15. Bryn Cooley to serve for Athens. Into the net. Caitlin Baker comes in for Athens. Jonna Shimko to serve for Alexander. Shimko goes long. Probably some nerves in this one. Lauren Tigner to serve. 2-1 Athens. It goes to Arnold, and this will go to Hickson. She puts it across, goes back to Tigner, and that one won't come back. Emma Stanley puts it down for her second kill of the game. 3-1 Athens. And this one will be right at the net. Nostrand puts it across. This one will have to go across. Shimko from the back line. Hickson. Nice play right there by... Oh, what a play by Sarah Skinner. Four to 1. Tigner continues to serve. Goes to Arnold. They will go to Hickson. Puts it across, and it falls out. Hickson with the kill. Four to 2. Carrie Nostrand. Olivia Hoon in for Athens. And a great, great save there for a shot at it, but an ace for Nostrand. 4 to 3. Serve comes across, goes to Baker. Back set. Boom. And a kill for Stanley. Elise Lutz to serve. 5 to 3 Athens. Lutz. Nostrand. They go to Arnold. Over to Harris. It's blocked. They will go back again, and she sees an open spot and puts it down. They went with the double block, and she puts it down by simply taking it across. 6 to 3, going to 15. Athens on top. We'll be right back. Elise Lutz serving at 6 to 3. She kicks it to the back corner, and an ace. 7 to 3. Throws a knuckleball over there. They will back set. Goes to Hickson. And Skinner with another kill. 8-3. Game 5. Lutz to serve again. Drops one in, and Arnold just takes it across, goes to Hoon. They go across to Harris, puts it down. Lutz to serve. 9 to 3 Athens. Goes to the back line to Brickles. Arnold keeps it alive. Baker with a nice job keeping it alive. Hickson, and she hits it long. The Bulldogs up 10-3. Lutz continues to serve, but Alexander will take a timeout. Elise Lutz, a lot of good-natured jawing back and forth in the crowd, seeing who can come up with the next great line. Lutz takes it across, goes to Nostrand. They will set up Hickson, and she hammered it. Hannah Hickson. 10-4 Athens. We're going to 15. Hickson will serve. She drops it over the top. It goes to Lutz. Bam! Christina DeGraw. Serving for Athens. Up 11-4 is Sarah Skinner. Brickles. They set up Arnold off the block, and she gets a kill. 11-5. Hannah Thomas has been super at serving. And she gets another good one. They will set up Arnold again, and she drops it in. Athens needs a good return here of serve, and Hannah Thomas has been dynamite. And it's going to be in. An ace. And Athens will take a timeout, up 11-7. Ready to go, 11-7. Athens needing a side out. Hannah Thomas trying to get Alexander back into it. It goes to Bryn Cooley. Back set, Harris. And a block by number 3, Sydney Arnold. 11-8. Cooley. And they'll go back to Arnold. And a nice job by Elise Lutz. Cooley. Back to Arnold. And Athens will not get this one back. Arnold has taken over. 11-9. The big lead that Athens had has disappeared. Thomas continues to serve. Captain wants to talk. Wanted to have a conference. And we're ready to play again. Captain Olivia Harris goes over to talk. Official calls her back over. I suppose we're about talked out here. We're ready to play again. Thomas goes to Hoon. DeGraw. And it goes to Arnold. Drops it over the top. Oh, a double hit, and he called it. Bulldogs up 12-9. Lauren Tigner comes back in. Olivia Harris to serve.